We're going to show you how to create a simple website for your laundromat business. This is using the Mighty Sites Laundromat website template. So you can click Start Free Trial, Launch, or you can scroll right down here to Clothing Services, click on Laundromat to get started. I'm going to jump right into my side because I already have an account with Mighty Sites, and I'm going to click right here on Laundromat. So first thing I need to do is just find my business name. I like this business, Positive Spin Laundry. Click continue. Right here I can update my email address or my location, any information there, super easy. I can also update my hours. If I want to mark, like, let's just pretend I'm closed on Saturdays, I can mark closed on Saturdays and click save, but we're open 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So I'm just gonna click 7 p.m. open, and then we close at 9 p.m. Super easy, click save, and then my hours are all set. Once this basic information is ready, click looks good, next, and Mighty Sites will automatically generate a brand new, simple, professional website using the Laundromat website template to showcase your laundromat. And now all of this comes with pre-licensed images and text that you can use for your business website. But if you prefer, you can also change any of these too by just activating the template and editing it. So I'll show you how to do that. Again, I have an account. I just click activate my site. It's only $9 a month, which is a great price for website hosting, the template, the editor, and you can even connect your own domain for that price. So I'm just going to click on activate your site now. And once I do, it'll charge my account the $9 a month. But for you, you'll just have to put in your credit card at that point. So now I can update the Laundromat website template. And here I go to update section. I can update any of the content here. I can update the social links. So let's just say you have a Facebook page or anything like that for your laundromat. I just updated that, and now I have the Twitter icon, and it links out to my Twitter account. Same for any of these other channels. If you need to update your location information, you can do that here too. If you need to change around the menu, or you want to link to another website, if you want to update, like have a picture of the front of your laundromat or something here, you just browse and pull up the picture, upload it there, easily replace the picture, change the menu items, link to anything else. You can link to other websites, you can link to different sections of your website. If that's all set, good to go. Let's just say you want to update this section and say serving the community for over 15 years. Simply type it in there. If you want it to, be tabbed down, you can just tab it down like that, tab down a couple spaces, whatever works best for the text that you want to add. And then let's just say for contact us, let's say you want that to, instead of going to the contact section of the website, you want them to actually be able to call you. You can just click confirm like that, and you can even change this to call us today if you want something like that. So I click on that. It's a super easy to edit laundromat website template. It was built for that purpose, so you could just easily create a simple professional website for your laundromat business. You can change directions if you want to update any of this. The call to action button to get directions to come visit or anything like that. If you want it to link to a different website, or link to the location section of your website, or if you want, when they click on the driving directions, just for it to automatically hyperlink to the directions so they can just drive, follow the directions right to your store, you can do that too. So again, built very easy to build and manage and edit. So you've got a great simple website for your laundromat with a very easy to use laundromat website template. So thanks for checking it out. It's a great program at a great price.